They're off and trotting. Kiwi Prez for the lead. Up on the outside of KDAS. Into the turn they go. May Wicket now gets away third. On the outside, Breed Love fourth. Racing fifth. That's Tigress Legacy. Rose Run Rihanna sixth. Racing seventh. Vasco B. As they race around the turn, going to the first quarter mark. Standana Hanover Racing eighth. Opening quarter 27-4. Off stride and taken off the course. The KDAS. Up and moving on the outside. May we go now to the top. Kiwi Press second. Racing third. Tigress Legacy fourth on the outside. Breed Love. Inside fifth. Rose Run Rihanna. Vasco B sixth. Seventh on the outside. Schwarber. Racing next comes Standana Hanover in the trailer. A KDAS back on the track, but still off stride. Halfway home in 56-4. Second panel in 29. Down the backside they go. Tigress Legacy and Dan Rawlings up on the outside to battle for the lead with May We Go Now and Jim Pantoliano. Third on the outside, Rose Run Rihanna racing fourth. Kiwi Perez. Fifth and on the outside, here comes Vasco B and Tyler Stillings. 3/4, 125-1, 28-2 backside. Tigress Legacy on the outside. Inside, May We Go Now. Eighth of a mile to trot. Tigress Legacy outside. May We Go Now. Lightning Lane. Rose Run Rihanna with a lot of trot. Coming to the wire. Rose Run Rihanna in the Lightning Lane. May We Go Now. Vasco B. 1:55. 2/5. Lightning Lane win. Ryan Zent. Rose Run Rihanna at 5-1.
And we'll pick up the replay here as you see the battle going on up front between May We Go Now to the inside and the first start of the year for Tigress's Legacy. And it was a hard start for this horse. Did a lot of racing on the outside. I'm sure will benefit tremendously for this experience this afternoon. But got a little bit tired doing all that chasing. And Pantoliano was never going to release this horse, that's for sure. And in the meantime, waiting to pounce up the inside will be Rose Run Rihanna. Horse going to get the second victory of the year in the 16th start off of Down in Company today after being seventh the last two starts. But here's the winning move right now. Comes up the inside for Mr. Zen and goes right on by May We Go Now, Vasco B, and the tiring Tigress's Legacy. Make it 2-3, 5-1.
Rose Run Rihanna. Second win of the season. Today's 12th. Second 2-minute performance. Into the winner's circle, number 2, Rose Run Rihanna. Morency Racing up Anchor Stable and Ryan Popovich. Tim Twaddle gets his 15th this season as Brian Zent gets win number 42. 5-year-old mare of Explosive Matter is Use Moi. 1:55, 2/5. Final half, 58-3. Final quarter.